Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 145 binary tree postorder traversal, and it is a question which we have solved a lot of number times on Insta. But if you haven't followed me on Insta, go and check out is Kabir coding. You can find the link in the description. And before diving into the video, please hit the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, tell me anything which you want to. Give me a suggestion, give me feedback, give me anything. Just drop a comment so that the YouTube algorithm knows that we are creating content and it will reach out to more public. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video, which is binary tree post order traversal, and we'll be given the root of binary tree and we have to return the post order traversal of its nodes value. And as the name suggests, post order, so in this we'll have to traverse the tree in the form of firstly the left subtree, or let's say the left node, then the right node, then the right, oh sorry, then the right node, and then the root node. Okay, so in this way we have to travel. For example, we are given this tree 1 2 and then 3, so its first order traversal will be firstly we'll go at the root node, then we'll go, we are not having any left side, so we'll go to the right side. We are encountering a node, again we'll be going to its first left side. We encountered 3 but it's having no right side, so we'll be coming back to the root node, that is 2. Then we have traversed all this subtree, then we'll be going back to its parent, that is 1. So we are having 3 to 1 as the answer. Okay, so for the list, let's have a list of integer as our answer, that is equal to new array list, and let's call the function that is post order, and in this let's pass on the root node, and then we'll return answer. Okay, now let's write private void post order, and in this we'll be having tree node, and we'll be having the base case that if node is equal to null, we cannot traverse any further, we'll be returning. And as I've already told that we'll be traversing the left side first, so we'll be doing it post order for the left subtree, that is node dot left, then for the right subtree, right, and after the it will be coming back, we'll be adding it to the answer list, answer dot add node dot well. Okay, now let's give it a run. Okay, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, but this was one of the recursion based solution. The interviewer might ask you sorry, my bad, the interviewer might ask you to do it without recursion. So if there's any chance where the recruiter asks that you have to solve it without recursion, you can use a stack basically. Okay, and I'll show you the stack solution as well. Let's keep the function written as it is, and let's have a stack of uh, what do we say, let's have it of tree node. Let's call it stack, that is equal to new stack. Okay, and let's make this a type of linked list. Okay, now what we'll be doing is, firstly let's add the root node to the stack, so stack dot push root. Okay, and now while not stack dot is empty, what I'll be doing is I'll be popping off the current node, that is tree node current, that will equal to stack dot pop, and I'll be adding it to the first place of the answer. So answer dot add first current, and then I'll be checking that if current, oh sorry, current dot val, yeah, so I'll be checking that if current dot firstly right, as we have to, is not equal to null, I'll be adding it to the stack dot push current dot right, and then I'll be checking that if current dot left is not equal to null, then I'll be pushing the stack dot push current dot left. Okay, and at the end I'll return, oh okay, I've already done the answer list, and now let's give it a run. Oh okay, answer dot add node dot val. Oh okay, let's just comment this code out. Now let's give it a run again. Oh okay, so it cannot, current dot right is not equal to null, current dot left is not equal to null, add first current dot val. Oh okay, so what's there over here? Oh okay, so I guess the current dot right part should be below it. Ah, now let's give it a run. Yeah, still an error. Okay. Oh, okay. So I understood that it's failing of the base case because that if my root is equal to null, I'll have to return a oh sorry, empty array list. So let's just return answer and now let's give it a run again. Oh, return. Now let's give it a run. Okay. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine as well. Okay. So description. Okay. And it works perfectly fine. Okay. So just for today. Thank you for watching.